going to share some ideas, update your old clothes. Sometimes you're just tired of the old style and you want something new. So I have been organizing my closet and to see if there are any clothes that I can update. So in this video, I'm going to update 3 dresses, and I'll also share you the ideas how to style those dresses. We all know how to style clothing. One dress can have a lot of different ways to wear it. Okay, let's start. Which outfit is your favorite? I love them all. I'm so happy that I just did a little bit change and those dresses turned into different outfits. I hope you like this video and don't forget to check out my second channel and my Patreon. I have been posting pregnancy updates. Bye bye.